Let's be real. Every driver's been there. The engine makes a weird noise, you panic, Google it, and end up eyeing a miracle additive that claims to rebuild engines at the molecular level. Relax. Most are junk, but some actually work and can make your engine smoother and longer lasting. So, here are 15 that deliver, and 5 you should avoid at all costs. Number 1. Valvoline Engine Oil Treatment. This one's straightforward. You pour it in once after an oil change and it keeps working long after. Valvoline's formula cuts down friction and wear while boosting oxidation resistance and improving viscosity. That means your oil stays stronger for longer and your engine gets extra protection, especially during cold starts. One treatment, long-term results. Number 2. Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. If your car's old enough to have its own retirement plan, this one's for you. Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer thickens engine oil, helping reduce consumption and noise. It also adds detergents and lubricants to protect the engine, but there's a catch. It's not ideal for modern engines with tight tolerances, since it can make oil too thick. Still, for older engines that burn oil, this stuff's a lifesaver. Number 3. Shell X100 Zinc Additive. Older engines love zinc. Shell X100 Zinc Additive coats metal parts like the camshaft and valve train with a thin film that stops wear. It's especially useful for vintage engines that don't have modern wear protection. And it works with most oils, so no need to play chemist. Number 4. Liquimoly MOS2 Anti-Friction Engine Treatment. Liquimoly's MOS2 formula uses molybdenum disulfide, a compound famous for reducing friction. It gives better wear protection, improved efficiency, and easier cold starts. It's perfect for older or European cars, though it can darken the oil a bit. Just don't use it on diesel or motorcycles. Number 5. AMSOIL Engine and Transmission Flush. Before you add any fancy synthetic oil, clean things up first. AMSOIL's Engine and Transmission Flush removes sludge and varnish that build up over time. It's solvent-free, safe for both gas and diesel engines, and helps oil flow freely again. Think of it as an engine detox before switching to premium oil. Number 6. ZDDP Zinc Dialkyl Dithiophosphate. This one's a classic. ZDDP adds zinc and phosphorus to create a barrier between metal parts, reducing friction. It's great for high-performance or older engines that see heavy wear. The formula's been around for decades, and for good reason. Number 7. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam's been the go-to cleaner for engines that have seen better days. It's a detergent-based additive that cleans fuel systems, dissolves deposits, and lubricates the engine. Especially effective for high-mileage engines with gunked-up injectors. Seafoam can make a rough idle sound brand new again. Number 8. Slick 50 Engine Formula. Despite the name being dragged through the mud years ago, Slick 50's engine formula still works when used correctly. It reduces friction, boosts fuel efficiency, and cuts wear. It mixes with both conventional and synthetic oils. Use it the right way, and it gives noticeable improvement in smoothness and economy. Number 9. Techron Concentrate Plus. Techron is a legend. Developed by Chevron, it's one of the few fuel additives actually recommended by major automakers like GM and BMW. The secret is polyetheramine, a strong cleaner that removes carbon deposits in fuel injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Results? Better MPG, smoother idling, and less knocking. Some drivers even gain up to 2 extra miles per gallon. It works best on cars running cheap fuel or older engines that need a refresh. Number 10. ATS Chemical 505 CRF Fuel System Treatment. This one's a favorite among serious mechanics. It uses the same PEA cleaning power as Techron but goes a step further. It works for both gas and diesel engines. It can clean injectors, valves, and combustion chambers, cutting carbon buildup across the board. Some drivers have seen oil consumption drop by half and fuel economy improve by up to 13%. It's costly, but you get what you pay for: quieter idling, better throttle response, and smoother running overall. Number 11. Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Modern diesel fuel has a problem. In removing sulfur, refineries also removed the lubricants that keep diesel engines happy. Hot Shot Secret EDT fixes that. It restores lubricity, adds cetane, and reduces wear scars by up to 159 microns. It even helps your engine run quieter and can improve MPG by up to 7%. For diesel drivers, this is essential. Number 12. Marvel Mystery Oil. With over a century of use, Marvel Mystery Oil has earned its name. It cleans fuel pumps, injectors, valves, and even the crankcase. It breaks down sludge and varnish, and users often notice instant improvement: quieter engines, smoother starts, and better performance. Some even report clogged EGR valves clearing up after a single treatment. It works for both gas and diesel, making it one of the most versatile on this list. Number 13. Hot Shot Secret Diesel Winter Anti-Gel. Winter and diesel don't mix. Cold temperatures cause diesel fuel to gel, blocking lines and filters. Hot Shot's anti-gel stops that cold, literally. It lowers the fuel's freezing point down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Without it, you could end up with a frozen engine and a $2,000 repair bill. Treat the fuel before the cold hits and your engine stays alive through winter. Number 14. BG MOA Motor Oil Additive. Piston rings getting stuck is one of the costliest problems, usually around $3,000 to fix. BG MOA was made to stop that. It breaks down carbon deposits, stabilizes oil, and prevents sludge. Tests show it can increase oil's total base number by up to 40%, keeping it from becoming acidic. It's not about instant magic, it's long-term protection, especially for older engines running on cheaper oil. Number 15. Arch Oil AR9100 Oil Additive. If you've got a diesel truck, this one's gold. Arch Oil AR9100 uses nanoborate technology to cut stiction. That sticky friction that causes power loss and rough starts. It forms a slick, protective film that reduces wear by up to 62% and boosts fuel economy by 5%. Diesel owners swear by it for restoring injector performance and smoother cold starts. A single $30 bottle can treat up to 16 quarts, perfect for heavy-duty engines that need every ounce of help. Now that we've covered the heroes, let's talk about the villains, the additives that will destroy your engine. Number 1. Engine Rebuilders. If a product says it can rebuild your engine by infusing metals like copper or silver into it, run. These are nothing but thick goo designed to mask problems temporarily. The soft metals can't fix hardened steel. All they do is thicken the oil and hide symptoms until the real damage shows up later. Number 2. Teflon-based oil additives. Teflon might make a great frying pan, but it's a terrible engine additive. In the 1990s, Slick 50 tried selling it as the miracle fix for friction. The FTC later fined them $10 million for false claims. NASA even tested it and found Teflon builds up in oil filters and blocks passageways. Instead of protecting your engine, it can choke it to death. Number 3. Off-the-shelf octane boosters claiming 10+ point gains. Those flashy bottles boasting massive octane boosts are pure marketing. When they say 10 points, they mean 0.1 increments, not full points. So your 91 octane gas becomes 92. Big deal. To get real performance, you'd need a jump to 95 or higher, which these can't deliver. Worse, if they contain MMT, They'll leave orange gunk on spark plugs and sensors, repairs that can cost over $1,000. Number 4. Ford Anti-Gel and Performance Improver. Ford's anti-gel additive technically works, but it's weak compared to others. Independent tests ranked it 10th out of 11 products. Hot Shots, Amsoil, and Peak crushed it. So yes, it's better than nothing, but barely. If you're serious about winter protection, there are far better options out there. Number 5. Fuel Max Energy Enhancer. This one's a masterclass in creative nonsense. It claims to restructure gasoline molecules for 30% better mileage, but that's pure fiction. These additives use ferromagnetic compounds that don't help combustion and can corrode fuel systems, causing repairs over $2,000. Not all additives are scams though. Used right, good ones can clean and protect your engine. Just remember, nothing beats proper maintenance. Follow directions, don't overdo it, and your car will run smoother and last longer. If this saved you from a scam, like the video, drop a comment on your best or worst additive, and subscribe for more no BS car tips.